Is blockchain actually useful in the real world, or is it all just speculation and hype? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to tokens.fye. Today, we're diving deep into the TX ecosystem to see how it's moving past the magic internet money phase and into actual industrial utility. By the end of this video, you'll understand the specific real-world cases where the TX blockchain is outperforming legacy systems in 2026. We've been tracking the evolution of the TX ecosystem closely, analyzing data from tokens.fye and the latest developments at coherencedaddy.com to bring you the facts. Supply chain transparency and provenance. In 2026, the biggest challenge for global trade isn't speed, it's trust. The TX ecosystem is solving this by creating an immutable ledger for high-value goods. Imagine a world where you can scan a QR code and see the entire journey of a pharmaceutical drug or a luxury item, verified by blockchain. This isn't just a theoretical case. We're seeing real-world implementation that eliminates counterfeit goods and streamlines customs audits. By utilizing the TX blockchain, companies reduce paperwork by 70% and increase transparency for the end consumer, revolutionizing DeFi and institutional finance. Now let's talk about DeFi. While early versions were like the Wild West, the TX ecosystem has brought institutional-grade stability to the game. We are seeing real-world assets, like real estate and treasury bonds, being tokenized on the TX blockchain. This allows for fractional ownership and instant settlement, removing the need for middlemen who take a cut of your profits. If you've been following our analysis on tokens.fye, you know that liquidity is the key, and the TX blockchain provides the throughput needed for high-frequency institutional trading. Decentralized identity, DID, and data sovereignty. The most personal real-world case is identity. In 2026, we're tired of big tech owning our data. The TX ecosystem enables a self-sovereign identity model. Instead of a central server holding your passport or medical records, you hold the keys on the blockchain. When you need to verify your age or credentials, you provide a cryptographic proof without actually revealing your private data. This is a game changer for privacy and security, effectively ending the era of massive corporate data breaches. Energy grids and peer-to-peer trading. Finally, let's look at the green energy transition. The TX blockchain is being used to manage microgrids. Homeowners with solar panels can now sell excess energy directly to their neighbors via smart contracts in the TX ecosystem. This removes the utility company as the sole profit maker and creates a more resilient, decentralized power grid. It's a perfect example of how blockchain technology solves a physical, real-world infrastructure problem. We've seen how the TX ecosystem is securing supply chains and fighting counterfeits. We explored how DeFi is evolving into institutional asset tokenization. We covered the shift toward data sovereignty and the future of decentralized energy. The year 2026 is proving that the real value of the TX blockchain isn't in the price charts, but in the efficiency and transparency it brings to the physical world. If you want to stay ahead of the curve in the TX ecosystem, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Smash the like button if you believe blockchain is more than just a trend. Which of these real-world cases do you think will scale the fastest? Let us know in the comments below.